What is up, guys? David Smith here. We are at 3530 Caffin Drive in Beaumont, Texas. This is the Barrington Heights subdivision, very beautiful subdivision. I'll go ahead and slowly pan around. All these homes have been custom built. It is an HOA, very beautiful out here, very quiet. And if you want to get out the hustle and bustle of Beaumont, this is where you need to be. All right, but this home boat, 3,750 square foot. It's a 4-bedroom, 5-bath with 3 full baths and 2 half baths. And it does have a movie theater room up at the top here with seating, everything already set up with your projector, ready to go. So enough of me, let's go take a look at the house. So first thing I want to showcase, since we are still outside, is this oversized 3-car garage. It does have an EV 240 volt right over there up under the breaker box. But again, oversized 2-car garage, does have some built-in shelving, does have plenty of space for storage. And like I said, oversized 3-car garage here. Come park all your cars. So we did finally have some rain out here in the Southeast Texas area, but look at this landscaping. Landscaping is professionally done on a weekly routine here with the yard cutting, etc. But just look at this grand opening, huge glass doors, very beautiful lights on the outside, brick slab, ready to go. All right, taking you in, you can see this is a 2-story home. You have 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. Primary is downstairs. Okay, this was custom built, guys. This isn't no run-of-the-mill regular build. This wasn't something that was thrown up overnight. Okay, they took their time. They have custom built-ins. They have nice chandelier lighting, all solid wood cabinetry. This is nice carpet, very nice tile. Again, has the custom piece inserts here. So somebody took their time installing this. This would be your dining area as soon as you kind of come in right off the kitchen. So first things first, I'm going to take you into the chef's kitchen, where you do have a gas chef stove. Okay, so you do have the nice gas stove with the backsplash. This is all custom tile. And then you do have the vent hood. That is a commercial style vent hood. Over here you have your double sink. You do have the double ovens with your microwave here, all custom built cabinetry, wine rack here. So a little bit extra pantry space. And then you do have an even larger pantry over here right off the breakfast area. So you can see that is a great size pantry. Plenty of storage for all your goods, okay? Backyard's nice size too, as you can kind of see through the window here. But again, you kind of got an open flow from the breakfast area, kitchen area into the living space. Okay, that is a gas fireplace that you're seeing there. Nice custom built solid wood mantle fireplace there. They went ahead and replaced some of the rotted wood that was out on the fence. I don't know if you can see that through the windows here. I will step outside in a minute, but more to showcase downstairs. So kind of looking at it from the fireplace point of view, you can see the beautiful kitchen. I mean, that kitchen is to die for. Your main dining area over there. And don't forget, I just kind of showcased the office space that was right in the door to the left. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go through the hallway here and showcase the 2 bedrooms with the primary downstairs. You do have a half bath right here to the left. So all of your guests does not have to go through the house to get anywhere. They can just go right here to the half bath. There is storage right there up under the steps. Keep on going to the left. This is going to be your garage door. So I've already showcased that. Right in the garage door, or right in your door entry from the garage, custom built cabinetry in the laundry room with the sink here, and a lot of extra storage space and plenty of room to move around and operate. Okay, one thing to note is there is a dual AC system here. Both are on Nest systems, so you do have an upstairs and a downstairs AC system. Okay, so the first bedroom downstairs, which could be kind of a guest bedroom If you have a kid that you want to keep close, don't want them upstairs, maybe a younger kid, this would be a great space for them. It is right next to the primary bedroom, and it does have a full bath on it. So you have granite countertops and a stand-up shower. Could easily be converted to a tub surround here if you would like this to be a kid's room. But like I said, this was more utilized as a guest room for the previous family. All right, go a little bit further down the hall. We are walking into the primary room here. Huge, oversized. This has got to be at least a 1820 by 18 roughly. So a very large size. As you can see, very nice fixtures and custom trade ceiling. This is all custom woodwork done. This is not your cheap run of the mill. Very nicely done. You do have your TV boxes and everything here, but most likely they had their bed right here in between the windows. Deep soaking tub. First thing you notice as soon as you walk in the restroom. Nice natural light coming in there. We do have overcast today, so you don't get to see a whole lot of that. And look at the countertop space on this. All right, so a very beautiful mirror that goes all the way around, some nice light fixtures. Extra storage space right across the way here for all your towels and linens and everything else you need. And you do still have a stand-up, custom built shower, dual shower head, pieces, one removable from the wall. All right, there's your toilet room right behind that door. No need to open that. And then this closet actually surprised me. When I opened it, my first thought was, dang, this is a small closet for this primary, this beautiful primary. However, I felt to walk in, and when you walk in and walk around the corner, this is where it really opens up and it goes even further around down here. So you kind of probably put the man in the back, get all the lady stuff up here in front, give her all this extra storage space that I know all you ladies need. So exiting the primary bathroom, you do have a large double door here right off the back patio. This is a glass double door, so they do have the blinds right here to pull that down, which I know a lot of y'all would be concerned with, because this being the primary bedroom, the adult's bedroom, you want to make sure that stays private. So that is it for the downstairs. This place has a lot of square footage, a lot to offer. Again, we are at 3,750 square foot. Nothing to balk your eye at. This thing is massive, okay? But the fun starts upstairs. Okay, let me take my shoes off, because this is some nice carpet. It has been cleaned. Okay, we're going to go up. You do have iron bars here that is bronzed. Solid wood rails. These stairs, you cannot hear a peep out of them. These are solid as they get. Okay, so first coming up here, you got a really nice landing. Could be a great area for kids play area, second kind of area, living space, reading nook over there. Right here is just an entry into the attic space, which is deck, gets you access to all your AC components. You do have closet space here and here, and then decking on this part of the house for the upstairs attic, okay? Before we get into this room, which is the movie theater, I want to go ahead and hit the other two bedrooms. Right off the kind of landing space, you do have a full bath, which has a tub and the tile surround. You do have a single sink in here with the same granite, and a very decent sized room with another reading nook in this room, okay? So great area for a kid. Go ahead and mute that. So I want to give you a kind of a point of view from the second story, looking down into the front door. Going into the fourth and final bedroom here, with another reading nook area with tons of natural light. This is going to be the smaller of the four. It does have some custom paint, kind of mountain look on the wall. More for a younger kid, but still plenty of space in here for a queen size bed, full size bed, whatever have you. All right, last but not least, I'm going to take you right across the way here into the movie theater room, which is where I would probably spend most of my time. They do have another half bath here. So you have a full bath on that side, right through there. Then you have the half bath right here. So if you're in the movie theater, you can kind of come out and just use the restroom and then be done. So this does have a six seats here in the movie theater. Has a really good size. I don't know what size that'd be. That'd probably be a good 100-inch screen right there. It has speakers all throughout. Has a JVC projector, tons of speakers, 2, 4, 6, 8 speakers in this room, okay? 6 seats, 8 speakers, plenty of space up front here to even host your sleepovers. Has a refrigerator, has cabinetry space. You have your outlets up here so you can put your popcorn machine, whatever else have you. But go ahead and look at it from this. It has all the setup so you can play your video games. I see an Xbox in there. I see a PlayStation in there. I see audio, video, and everything else that is needed to entertain. All right, guys, so that is it. I am wrapping up this tour. Again, this is 3530 Caffin Drive in Beaumont, Texas, in the Barrington Heights subdivision. There's probably gonna be a lot of trick-or-treaters coming in here really soon, so let me get out of here. Happy Halloween.